What's up, guys? So this is some footage from a beach hike that I did on Father's Day. You'll see shortly. I'm just doing a quick little intro here because I forgot to do that at the beach. But let's get on right with the video.
Hey guys, I just found a nice fossilized clam here at Torrey Pines Beach. I'm gonna see if we can get this out. This is really cool. This is my first fossil here. Alright guys, so I wasn't able to get that fossil. I will be coming back for it. I need to catch up with my group. But I'll see you guys soon. Ooh. It's a nice little cluster of fossils and such. I gotta keep going. I also just ran past this. I'm not sure, but that also could be a whalebone fossil. Looks like another hardened piece coming out right here. Much larger, but I'm not 100% certain. So I did walk up on another cluster of fossils. There's all these fossils in the cliff side. They're exposed when this all erodes. And I believe we have what looks to be oysters. And then some mussels that's been fossilized. And there's a nice one. I can't really tell what exactly it is. But there's all sorts of stuff trapped in here. Alright guys, so after hiking for a while on the beach, we made it to Flat Rock. That's where my group is. It's a pretty cool area. Talk to you guys soon. Well, we made it to Flat Rock. That's pretty much it. Alright, I see a crab. Oh, he's eating something. Tunnel number 2. We passed one that had like a boat control panel in it. Let's see what's in here. This looks like some old parts of the boat as well in here. Not much.
Dead bud, dead bird, dead bird.
Well, that's unfortunate. There's a dead seal. I wonder how it died. Oh well. There's the water. Oh. Dead bird number 2. This one looks like a cormorant. It's been dead for a while though. Can't smell it really. Probably gonna see a lot more as the day goes on. That's another dead bird. This one is also a lot older. Also, I'm not sure how it passed, but it's pretty cool up here. Since we got some sort of small base camp setup over here. But what I do want to check out is the tide pools over there. Oh, there's an osprey perched up there. Let's see if we can get it. Probably watching for any fish that come close to shore. So sick. And another dead bird perched right where the osprey was sitting. So it's pretty cool. Right, let's see if there's any snakes underneath here. And no dice. Oh well. And here's another dead bird. This time looks like a tern, I think. Yeah. It's been picked clean. You can see the skeleton right there. But, oh well. Chair moment. Alright, so we've got a twofer right here. Got a small little bird, another small little bird, and then actually 3 for 2 because there's another one right here. Oh, and a smaller one. So we've got one there, one there. It might have been a nest. Can't tell though. And is this a bone? No, it's a piece of wood. Oh well. And then there's that cormorant we saw earlier. It's a shame. And all the way up there, there's peregrine falcons. Sorry, yep, there goes one. I don't know how I completely missed these two. There's another bird right there. And another one. Can't tell, I don't know what species these are. There's a ton of these tiny little ones as well. Another. And these are not the same ones too. These are just the ones I walked past and missed. I think I see something pretty cool actually over here. Looks like, oh, it's just a bag full of cans. Probably can make a few bucks off of that. There's a local recycling center. But I'm gonna stay up here and look for more fossils and shit. See else what we can find. Oh. So, I don't think I've seen this one before. This one looks like to be a seagull. Other than that, that's just it. No, this is the first cave we saw. This looks to be a old ship control panel. Part of the wheel right there. But, yeah. That was the other cave I was talking about. Alright guys, so I finally got that out. I was able to find the rock again. I did chip it a little bit on the bottom right here, but other than that, it looks pretty good.